Hello guys, I am Suresh Machu, founder of Machu Clinic. So I am one of the member of American Academy of Micropigmentation, and we are treating this vitiligo since 2009. We have more than 50,000 of happy, successful vitiligo patients we have bring out their original skin back. And in this session, we are going to show you the real-time process of how we are treating this vitiligo white patch and bringing the actual skin color back. That's the beauty about this treatment. Let's get into the video. And if you guys have any doubt, do comment us and share it to us as much as possible. Thank you. Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to do the vitiligo patch test for this client. As you can see, the patch test is on the segmental side, not on the pointy side, so it's more of a full segmental vitiligo pattern which he has. So the process has been started now. We are slowly elaborating and bringing up the exact skin tone. As you can see, the color tone is getting matched with his existing tone exactly. So the beauty about this treatment is this: you can match with the exact skin tone at just a no matter of time, and it is very easy to maintain it, and it gives the great output. That's the most important and the beauty of this treatment, and it's a very least maintenance one. As you all know, there is no need of taking any tablets or any other particular diets, nothing. It's just chill pill. Just take a cream which they are providing it and just keep applying on top of it. It gives you the best output you can ever have. So in this treatment, as you all see, the process has been started smoothly, and it's getting and growing up to the level where it will get matched with the exact skin tone. As you can see, the process is going very smooth and it's getting much more better. Most of the time, client loves to get this treatment done comparing other treatments in the market because of the least maintenance and the zero side effects. Yes, that's the beauty about this treatment. Once it's got healed, it will look so natural that your skin and the white patch, you can't even identify the differentiation of both of the things. That's the most beautiful part about it. Many of the times, clients gets confused whether is it going to give any of the side effects. No, it's a zero side effects, as I said to you earlier, because the inks which we are using, it's a vegan certified organic ink. That means it provides the complete solution, and it is completely mingled with our body organic, so our body will not going to treat this as a foreign content. So it's completely a zero side effects, and we are doing this treatment since 2007, and I am an American Academy of Micropigmentation member, and we know what we are doing it, and we are expert in that. So you guys have a complete trust on us, and we'll be bringing you the great output among this. So I would like to tell you how this process is getting better, smooth day by day, because once your patch test has been done, it requires a 1 month of time duration to heal completely. So as you can see the image now, it's exactly matching with her existing tone. Correct? It's exactly matching with his existing tone. You can't even find a difference now because of newly done. It has a little reddishness, but apart from that, it's purely perfectly matched out. So I hope you guys liked this video. Any doubt, contact us in this number which is mentioned on the screen. I'll meet you guys in the next video.